What are you doing? Get it. Oh, you want to play? There. Look. Hit it. This is a mirror. And this has a face on it. And this is a little bug. Huh. You like that one? There you go. What are you doing? You're 3 months old tomorrow. Yay! You'll be 3 months old tomorrow. Going to be such a big girl. Huh. Oh, she's not singing anymore, huh? There you go. You like the toy Aunt Shauna got you? Huh? Peekaboo. I see you. I see you. You're cute. What's that? What's that? You're getting sleepy. Sleepy, sleepy. Yeah, you are. I know it. I know it. Look at all that cool stuff. Listen. Sounds like a candy wrapper, huh? Sweet girl.